Good afternoon. I'm Ann McInerney Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. With me this afternoon is Jeb Baldridge. Jeb is our deaf interpreter this afternoon. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe in the community and showing your part as we slow down the community spread of the coronavirus in Vancouver. But I'd also like to take a moment to send our deepest condolences from the City of Vancouver to the family and colleagues of State Trooper Justin Schaefer, who died in the line of duty this week. We're very thankful for the critical work of our law enforcement, keeping our communities safe, and our residents are joining us as we mourn this tragic loss. The city is continuing to adapt its resources to the COVID-19 situation, and I'll give you some information on what we are currently doing. Let's start with the City Public Works. The department has reduced its on-site staffing to provide just the essential services in compliance with the governor's stay-at-home order. They've established rotating teams working at minimal staffing levels to reduce exposure while providing the essential services that our community needs. Let me give you an example of some of those. Water and sanitary sewer. Of course, these are extremely important for health and safety of our community, but it also means transportation. So, for example, keeping all those traffic signals functioning properly would be part of their responsibility. Also essential are the emergency response to supporting the public safety. For example, if police need a street closure or if the fire department needs help in containing a spill, our operations center would be there. Utility services will continue assisting customers with those payment arrangements and billing. So probably the best option would be to use your email. And of course, garbage and recycling collections will continue with Waste Connections. As is necessary to support the services, all of our public works services and programs, again, are reduced just to those basic level of operations. Some additional examples would be neighborhood street sweeping. That's off the table for right now. Mowing medians and pulling weeds in the park and such, that's off the table. Throughout the city, most of our employees are working remotely and wherever it's possible and wherever it's practical. Another service adaptation is city building and fire inspections. Beginning today, the city has reduced building inspection services in compliance with the governor's orders. And what this means is that most of the commercial and residential construction inspections are shut down for the next 2 weeks with only very limited exceptions. Unless a project is consistent with the governor's guidelines for essential construction, such as, and you can look on the website for this, low-income housing, emergency repairs, or construction in support of essential functions. As the governor pointed out today, for example, building grocery stores and hospitals would be considered essential functions. The city will not be providing building, electrical, or fire inspections during these 2-week periods for all other opportunities of construction. The governor has also issued a proclamation that will change the way we do city council meetings. Because in-person meetings are temporarily prohibited, city council meetings must be conducted remotely, and in-person attendance is prohibited. All city council members will be participating remotely and will be broadcasting the meeting actually on our regular channels, our CVTV, our Facebook Live, but everyone will be teleconferencing by phone only. And that will also be available to the public. So when we post the agenda, it will have a little set of directions there for you to testify remotely also, and you have a registration opportunity, and that will be opening up that agenda for you. We'll be posting all of those details on our website before that next agenda. The confirmed COVID-19 cases in our state continue to climb, and here in Clark County, I want to stress how vitally important it is to stay at home as much as possible and to practice social distancing. We'll continue to keep you updated on new information as we have it, so please check out the website. Look for that page on questions and answers. There are lots of information pieces there. Stay healthy. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.